everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a delicious molten chocolate lava cake, a perfect dessert to impress your guests or treat yourself to a sweet indulgence. All you need for this recipe is 200 grams of dark chocolate, 180 grams of butter, 140 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, 40 grams of flour, unsweetened cocoa powder and powdered sugar. These ingredients are for 8 cakes. So, first of all, you have to prepare the butter, so melt the butter and the chopped dark chocolate in a saucepan over low heat, stirring until smooth. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and add the sugar and mix well until fully dissolved. After that, you have to incorporate the eggs one at a time, making sure to fully incorporate each before adding the next. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Only at the end, add the flour and gently fold it into the butter. But now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments and share your photos. Now we have to prepare the molds, so grease the individual molds with butter and dust them with cocoa powder, covering the entire inner surface. This will make it easier to remove the cakes after baking. Fill the molds and pour the butter into the molds, filling them about 2/3 full. Place the molds in the freezer for at least 1 hour. This helps to create the signature gooey center during baking. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees and bake the frozen cake for 15 minutes. Baking time may vary depending on your oven. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them rest for a minute. Gently flip each cake onto a dessert plate and dust with powdered sugar and serve immediately. And there you have it, your perfect molten chocolate lava cakes. A simple yet stunning dessert that's sure to wow everyone. See you!